Hey folks, welcome back to Florida Food Forest. Woo, check out this one here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Hopefully it does well. I've had it for about a month now. Seems to be doing all right. It's not dead yet. Thankfully, I do see some little new growth going on. Yeah, so it's getting new little starts there. Really cool plant, man. Excited to try that out. I haven't seen it anywhere else. I got it from Bellamy Trees, like I said, about a month ago. So I'm getting the duck run all cleaned up here. Well, that's a mess right there, but nothing in there is going to harm them. They might trip over stuff, but it's kind of a mess. I got chickens and ducks out here. I've been putting my potted plants in here. I'm getting ready for cold weather. I'm getting these closer to a greenhouse, makeshift greenhouse that I put up here in the winter when we get hit by cold weather. But I got some cool plants in here. Doesn't seem like the ducks are messing with them yet, except for these Suriname cherries over here. These are the Dazzleblastas, and they actually taste pretty decent. Of course, I don't mind the regular Suriname cherries either. They kind of have like a cologne fruit, green pepper taste to them. But these ones actually taste pretty good. Less of a green pepper, less of a cologne. At least in my taste buds anyways. So like I said, the ducks aren't coming out here messing with anything yet. If they do, well then I guess I'll have to change my strategy here. Oh, little sundrops. You're looking so happy, little sundrops. Those seem to be doing pretty good. More Suriname cherries. I got lots of them. Lots and lots and lots of them. That guy's cool. I'll cover that sometime. That's a cool one. It gets skipped water a lot. Here's some of the jabos. And there's the mess makers right there. I see you. Got it all pretty much set up here. I really wanted to show you this guy here. Hopefully the chickens and stuff don't come out here and mess with things. I'm going to have more than 30 chickens here shortly. Hopefully the chickens and ducks don't mess with this. I don't think the ducks will. If anything, ducks will poke their heads over the top of the can or the pots here and mess around in the soil, because that's what they were doing over here. It was just at their perfect height that their little necks could reach over and start rummaging around there. I might get another couple blocks and raise that up and another block higher so they can't reach in there, and I can take that down, but we'll see. Otherwise, I should have here shortly like 30 chickens. Oh, like guacamole. I ordered 25 from McMurray, but I already have 12 in my incubator. These are all Jersey Giants that are coming in the 12 Jersey Giants in the incubator. But I also got 8 duck eggs in the incubator. So I had a raccoon come in and bust us up a couple weeks back. Took out some babies, took out some hens. Yeah, it wasn't good. I ripped the face right off of one of them, so I had to help them pass. That was kind of a pain, but that's unfortunately part of life, I guess, and especially if you're going to have animals. Well, they got Fort Knox set up now. There's that house right there where it's all welded wire on the inside. Then they have the pickets over top, welded wire on the bottom, but also board, welded wire on top and board on top. Just welded. Hopefully it's set up good. Now I got lots of electrical wire running through, so if anything comes through, they get zapped in the nose, they'll change their mind. And speaking about chickens, I got this guy here. There was a cricket over here, not a cricket, but a grasshopper, munching on the leaves, so I went and snatched his butt up and gave him to the chickens. They're like, oh, thank you very much. Oh, that was so good. I love you, the little bits. Your mohawk's up. What you doing? I'm gonna get that dog. I'm gonna get that dog. I'm gonna get that dog. Oh, oh, oh.